પાસ્ટ કોન્ટિન્યુઅસમાં નેગેટિવ અને ક્વેશ્ચન્સ સૌથી વધુ કન્ફ્યુઝ કરે છે. લેટ્સ ફિક્સ ધેમ. બસ ટુડે only negative and interrogative. First we see negative form. First formula: subject plus was were plus not plus verb ing. Example: I was not speaking. હું બોલી રહી નહોતી. They were not eating. તેઓ ખાઈ રહ્યા નહોતા. નેગેટિવ સિમ્પલ છે. યાદ રાખો, was were પછી not આવે. બસ. Now next one, question form. Formula: was were plus subject plus verb ing. Examples: was he sleeping? શું તે સૂઈ રહ્યો હતો? Were you watching TV? શું તમે ટીવી જોઈ રહ્યા હતા? Remember, question ફોર્મમાં was કે verb પહેલા અને subject પછી. બસ ક્વેશ્ચન તૈયાર. Now we understand with a contrast. Examples: he was not running. Negative form. Was he running? Interrogative form. English easy છે. Just practice this structure. English automatically improve થશે.